don't talk things for television, you know, green come out. When they do campaign, people start and they whisper for here, waiting to talk. Even the one that they tell them to talk, you know, if we talk up. If they ask people where gather here, the small crowd where they get, say, oh, now want to know minerals. Oh, now want to know minerals. Oh, now want to know minerals. Abi. Oh, now don't see, if you think say mineral resources are the same as Fanta and Coke. But I not see say na real insults. They want insulted those people. People like us, where in those days they know us as the civil service state, where now the people will no book, now them full here till now. People like us, where when I say this government be a governor, the first 4 or so years ago, when then they cry minimum wage too small, federal government increase minimum wage. Nobody do. Obaseki might be the only governor who increase minimum wage. 3 or 4 years ago, federal government say minimum wage, they now increase them to 30,000. Obaseki do his own 40,000. As he announced him, he pay him every month. He not pay one. Since he entered government, he never pay. The civil servants, everybody, they pay the pensioners. When for our bank we have in the world, we get dates where they receive salary. On that date, for bank, they know they fail. Salary go enter. Obaseki come government, they pay civil servants like send a bank, then they work. On the 25th of every month for the past almost 8 years, civil servants they get them money. Even federal government no fit pay that 40,000 where you pay. Then he reach. Country be like say they spoil. God not gonna agree this country spoil. Hunger come and everybody come they suffer. Now when a governor look say the people they suffer, the money where they in hand, he no get power again, it don't reduce. Because dollar don't go up, naira don't come down. It come hard. On the only thing say he must do something for him people. Now he take minimum wage. Bam! To 70,000. Almost double.
Obaseki, oh yeah!
He even talk and say if I make him higher, but make him just be reasonable, he knows the power where he gets. As soon as he announce him, he start to pay that month. Some people they talk say and because election won't come, they know foolish people will not get sense. They don't remember that only him pay 40,000. Since 4 years, he they pay him every month. Nobody prompt him. They don't remember that one. We had a whole meeting for APCs. Say this governor Obaseki don't do well. They don't fit compete with him and in party and in candidate. The only thing they're going to do is make them they lie all over the place. They go form lie, they lie. Grown-up men, we get some of them get children. We go wonder this kind of people, which example they want set for their children. We are going to look them. Man, when I'm the governor for this state before, we don't wonder how you go stand beside man when no go school, when no fit talk, and then get pride. Say this kind of person, I want what you consider for that exalted seat of the state. Which kind of man be that? People like that is politics, they don't get conscience. They do anyhow. They come only for their belly. They don't care about the people. How can a man who has been governor in this state go and bring a clown like the one where they bring for APC? That's not organized the boy be before. Person when don't go to school, not be anything, not fit to do anything. Neither one thing to come rule over a great people like the Edo people. But I don't know say for the whole world, Edo get history. On our governor, they always tell you now where we remember where they come from. You must see our anthem. We talk about how great the people we were. In those days, our kings, forefathers, great grandfathers, the things what they do for Edo, then build the great Benin city, the great moat around Benin area. In those days, no enemy fit enter Benin. Or you must say then they struggle, they don't fit conquer the empire. Now the wisdom of our forefathers. The great Benin kingdom is there for Guinness Book of World Records. those days. In the whole world though, they can remind about our history and who we be. So that when I go remember, get pride, know who we be. So that when I go vex for all these clowns, when they come now in the name of politics, they won't go spoil our life. The great motto of Benin City, Benin Kingdom, where they built centuries ago, they say it's greater than the great walls of China. When I hear the great walls of China, when I hear the one where you both do, when I go respect, when I forget the one where our papa then do, way past the one where we both do. This is the people that we are. A great, formidable, indomitable, unconquerable people. Oyibo said he had them before they conquer us. Now all these kukuruku them things that go come to conquer us. But we remember who we be and make we vex. Tell the APC people for this state when they do nonsense. Say, are they chicos? Are they chicos? Are they correct? Because the kind of clown when I bring, say, we'll come become governor of Edo. God forbid them already. They're not even trying to bring better candidates. Such people must know that they hate Edo people. That party APC will bring that kind of candidate with a vex. We expect them to do better. They will give us better competition. I don't go bring that kind of person. They just show say the people they hate Edo people. The people they're wicked. They're wicked. So make we know say this state are number one for Nigeria. They call us the heartbeat of Nigeria. That word prophetic, the heartbeat of the nation. It means say Edo is the most important spot for Nigeria. Because the heart, now they give life. If they cut off your leg now, you not go die. They cut off your hand, you not go die. But if they remove your heart, you don't quench. So the part where be the heart of the body and the heart of the nation is the most important part. So we must know who we are. Because they are very important. And that Nigeria will prosper when Edo continues to prosper. Because Nigeria not go anywhere without Edo State. Now make all this battle when our governor don't fight. Now spiritual battle. Now battle between light and darkness. Okay, God then bring light with Obaseki. And then transform Edo, every area of life for Edo. Then do great things. Oh, you want people World Bank, European Union, British Embassy, America, all of them. They praise our governor, say do well, say best governor for Nigeria. So make we not allow all the good way this government don't do. Make it spoil. Now they hear me. But I must know that the only way for Edo to continue to progress. Now make we bring the person where go fit do the work where this governor they do. The only man where Sabi where fit do the work to take us higher, to take Edo from this level to a higher level. That will be the PDP candidate, Dr. Asue Ighodalo. No other candidate for Edo. We not go look better. Don't throw away and go pick here. We go beat. God forbid. We love ourselves. We are proud of who we are as Edo people. And we must give ourselves the best. When would they go delay? When would they go wrong? Not be the best artist to get what we go bring. You go see who's a bit wrong for your team. Can't go carry the person who knows a bit wrong. Because if you do so, it means that you don't want to win the race. You don't want to carry the cup. But Edo will be number one. We be leaders, we be champions. We must always bring our best. Put our best foot forward. For this election, don't be about party. Like I tell you now, don't be about party. Now about the human being. But the person where Sabi, the person where fit do the work, the person where fit continue the good work of this government to make sure that he protecting people from the suffering where they for Nigeria. When they hear me so, like one Benin woman talk for 2020 election, he said, Nigerians will never tire for suffer. So we make sure say this time we not play politics. Fortunately for us, the best candidate is our party. For anybody we want good for him people, you go bring the best. Any federal government we like in country, we want progress of in country. You not go play party for this kind of time where we do for Nigeria. You go the gospel. Let us campaign for and vote for the best candidate in this coming election. And I want to introduce the wife. As God go do am, as He always do am to support Him people. All the candidates when they contest election, only one get wife. And our own party candidate, Asue Ighodalo, only him get wife. My wife is this. This is the very wife Ighodalo. It was a talent, maybe in fine girl like me. He's a big book like me. He gets good heart like me. He will continue the good work when I say I don't do for this and that. The way the husband will continue the good work when I am marathon one. So when I do, where can see governor can do. Now then go carry a job from this strong foundation where Obaseki don't lay. Now then go carry him to the next level. So that we all go be proud as Edo people. Women for Edo, they could not say no only one candidate get wife. Oh. Now when women go for government house, now it's better they come to women. Oh. They could not all women for Edo, regardless of party. Forget party, look the best candidate, look the one where get wife. And these two people, they go through well, they study, they get their own business where they prosper well for Nigeria. Now they go take off higher and higher. So we vote, campaign and vote for PDP on September 21st.
Hello! Okay. Chief Mike Obiadome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can we celebrate His Excellency Chief Mike Obiadome, the original Ashiwaju of the source? Make some noise! PDP! PDP! Power to Asue! Power to Ogie! PDP! Thank you very much. I want to thank you all for this wonderful rally. This crowd is most intimidating. Some time ago, I saw a fake crowd on social media. And they were saying that that is the rally of all rallies. I believe they should come today and see what a rally looks like. So I congratulate you, my PDP, for this wonderful rally of today. Edo State, as you know, is the heartbeat of Nigeria. We always put our best in front. We always show our best. Asue Ighodalo and Ogie Osarodion are clearly the best that Edo has today. I want to congratulate some people for giving birth to a son like Asue Ighodalo. I want to ask some people, what are you going to tell Enahoro? What are you going to tell Ihomu? What are you going to tell Aneni? That you have a gem like this, a great man like this to put forward, and you wait the other way. There shall be no weeping. There shall be no sorrow. There shall be no hunger. Therefore, you must do the right thing. I want to tell Edo people, it is Asue Ighodalo and Ogie Osarodio that are on the ballot. These are the best performers that we know. They are clearly the best performers. They are clearly the best administrators. They are the people on the ballot. Mike Ogiadome is not on the ballot. Godwin Obaseki is not on the ballot. If you have an axe to grind with me, come and grind it with me. If you have an axe to grind with Godwin Obaseki, go and grind it with him. Don't visit the sin that I've committed on Asue and Ogie. What I am saying, do not cut your nose to spite your face. Edo people should wise up. In 2015, some misguided people made a very dastardly campaign against the PDP. The best government in Nigeria was removed. Today it is hunger. Isn't it? Yes, those who did it, they are regretting today. Yes. They are all saddened. They are all suffering. And do we want that kind of situation in Edo State?
No, sir.
Edo must move forward.
Yes, sir.
Edo is moving forward.
Yes, sir.
Edo is progressing.
Yes, sir.
Edo has always brought its best.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I want to beg you all Edolites, on September 21, go to the polls and to print PDP. That is the party that will take Edo to the first world. That is the party that will lead present-day Nigeria to economic victory.
Yes, sir.
So I beg you, I thank you all, and I congratulate us. All we are asking for from the authorities, is one man,
one vote.
One man,
one vote.
There should be no manipulations.
No, sir.
When we were in government, we did not do manipulations. Today, we are asking that the goodwill we planted should be extended to us. One man,
one vote.
PDP,
Asue for governor.
Thank you very much. I'd like to invite one of the most wonderful sons of
8 years. We get 2 power plants. The only mistake when they say, you not say transmission line, we don't dey since 19 now it's still there. So now our governor won't work, but he go do the one way he do, he go leave the rest for me and my brother here. So once we do the transmission, once we do all the power plants when you don't bring during time, we go move lights to everybody house. And where power plant no fit reach, we go bring solar. I be no be so, na so. So we go do na so. So we go do na so. How many of you get picky for school? Put up your hand. How una see school be? How una see school be in the last 7 years? I don't say now, na computer, na teacher they take teach. Na computer, na teacher they take life. Our teachers say, as the school they improve. I know one man, before governor come, before this new Edo best, before we get this education, in Pikin don't reach primary 5. In Pikin went there primary 2, he no book pass the one went in primary 5. So the Baba say make him Pikin go back primary 2. The Pikin begin cry. Then the junior brother tell us say make you come back, oh, make you no go be empty shell. Like some people when they talk for TV, oh, or when us have been talk for TV. Make you no be like people when us have been talk for TV, oh. And the boy come back primary 2. But he mean now, that primary 2 when he come back, he done the smart go now. So we thank the people when think of Edo best, oh. We thank them, oh. So myself now. That Edo best, we go make a even better, better. That we go do. That we go do, oh. So we beg now. What about vocational school where they don't abandon? Technical school where they teach people how to work. What about all those schools? And I don't go school of nursing for Benin before. Oh boy, that school of nursing is better pass your way to Obodo Ibo. The only thing will take me there. You say all the nurses, they talk say, they don't know whether they go stay or they want jackpot because the education too good. School of nursing, school of agriculture, our hospital, specialist hospital. You know, the things where we go build on. The one thing we go do where we promise to now. Continue from where our governor stop. He say we go create an Edo State where person we want chop go chop, person we want walk go walk, person we want move go move. Nobody go fear to move. So help us God. So we beg all of you now, make it now continue having faith, make it now stay with us, make it now support us, make it now see light follow am, make it now see darkness turn back to am, make it now see those who don't know leave them, make it now see height follow am, make it now see those who dey enter ground make them dey go. God don't bless us, make we not take our hands spoil God blessing. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
God don't bless us. God won't bless us more. Make we don't take our hand spoil God blessing. So I thank all of you now for coming. We go dey move from local government to local government. We go dey talk to our people. We go dey tell our people say make them believe in us, make them trust us, make them stay with us, make them work with us, make we all day together. And by God's grace, we go persevere. By God's grace, we go win.
Yes, sir.
We go defend our vote, we go defend our ballot.
Yes, sir.
Until they announce that we don't
Win.
Until they announce that we don't
Win. Win.
I thank all of you now. Oh yeah, make we wave our cap.
Hey, good to go. Good to go. Good to go. Good to go.
I promise you now, say we go make you now proud. We go run transparent government like Obaseki. No say for Obaseki government, people no dey. If you don't know how to use computer, wahala don't catch you. And so that way, no more wayo, mago. All of them don't go. People wey no sabi read, how they go come use computer? Haba. So now forward ever now, forward ever, backward never. God bless all of you now. God bless Edo State. God give it Edo State. The people of Esa, the water war where Obaseki don't start, we go complete am. Because I know people around there for Esa, they look us. The water will come. The water don't begin come, then it will come. We promise you now. And then I see my brothers from Emui here. I tell you now, say that pineapple and the fruits. We go build company. We go take the pineapple and the fruit. Don't be so.
That's all.
God bless all of you now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you now. When they go home, they can go safely. God go allow all